We live in amazing times. Technology is rapidly advancing. One of the most exciting developments is artificial intelligence, or AI. AI refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. This includes things like learning, problem solving, and even understanding human language. AI has incredible potential to help us share the gospel. Imagine AI helping us create engaging content. Think of AI answering questions about faith. Consider AI helping us connect with people from all over the world. The possibilities are truly exciting. But how exactly can AI be used for evangelism? Let's explore some practical examples. AI can help us create written and visual content. It can also help us connect with people on social media. AI can even power chatbots to have conversations about faith. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into each of these areas and see how AI is transforming the way we share the gospel. One of the most powerful ways AI can aid evangelism is through content creation. Creating compelling content is crucial for sharing the gospel in a digital age. AI can help us craft engaging sermons, blog posts, and social media updates that resonate with diverse audiences. Imagine having an AI assistant that can help you write your Sunday sermon. AI tools can analyze biblical texts. They can identify key themes and even suggest illustrations. This can save pastors and teachers valuable time. It can also help them deliver more impactful messages. Beyond sermons, AI can help create engaging blog posts and articles. AI can analyze popular topics in Christianity and suggest relevant themes. It can also help generate content ideas and even write drafts. AI-powered content creation tools are not about replacing human creativity. They are about providing support and inspiration. They free up time for evangelists to focus on the most important aspects of their ministry, building relationships and sharing the love of Christ. Social media has become a powerful tool for evangelism, connecting us with people from all walks of life. However, managing multiple social media accounts and creating engaging content can be time-consuming. This is where AI can be incredibly helpful. AI-powered social media management tools can help automate tasks like posting and scheduling. This ensures a consistent online presence, even when you're busy with other ministry work. AI can also analyze social media trends and suggest relevant hashtags. This can help expand the reach of your message to a wider audience. But AI's role in social media evangelism goes beyond scheduling and hashtags. AI can help create engaging social media posts. It can suggest relevant Bible verses, inspirational quotes, and even generate short stories that resonate with your audience. By leveraging AI's capabilities in social media, we can reach more people with the gospel. We can start meaningful conversations and build relationships online. Section 4. AI-powered conversations and Bible study assistance. Imagine having access to a tool that could answer your questions about faith, provide biblical insights, and even guide you through Bible study. This is what AI-powered chatbots can offer. Chatbots are computer programs that simulate conversation with humans. In the context of evangelism, AI chatbots can engage in faith-based conversations, answer questions about Christianity, and provide resources like Bible verses and devotional materials. This can be incredibly helpful for people who are exploring faith or have questions about Christianity. AI-powered Bible study tools can also enhance our understanding of Scripture. These tools can provide commentary from multiple sources, offer different interpretations of passages, and even translate the Bible into different languages. It's important to remember that while AI chatbots and Bible study tools can be valuable resources, they should never replace personal interaction and guidance from pastors, mentors, and other members of the Christian community. Section 5. Enhancing video and audio ministries with AI. In an increasingly visual world, video and audio content have become essential for sharing the gospel. AI offers exciting possibilities for enhancing our video and audio ministries. AI-powered video editing tools can automate tasks like transcribing audio, adding subtitles, and even generating video summaries. This can save countless hours of editing time. AI can also enhance video quality, improve sound, and even create visual effects that make videos more engaging. In the realm of audio, AI can help create high-quality recordings of sermons, podcasts, and music. AI-powered tools can reduce background noise, improve clarity, and even master audio tracks to professional standards. By embracing AI in our video and audio ministries, we can create high-quality content that resonates with a wider audience and spreads the gospel more effectively. Section 6. Ethics and the Future of AI in Evangelism. As we embrace the potential of AI in evangelism, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications. While AI can be a powerful tool, it's important to remember that it's just that, a tool. AI should never replace the human element in evangelism. Building genuine relationships, showing empathy, and offering personal support are essential aspects of sharing the gospel that can never be replicated by machines. We must also ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically. This means being transparent about how AI is being used. It also means avoiding the use of AI to manipulate or deceive. The future of AI in evangelism is bright. By embracing AI's potential while upholding ethical considerations, we can leverage this powerful technology to spread the gospel, share the love of Christ, and make disciples of all nations.